This is Andy. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, my students, today we are going to view the use of phrasal verbs in speaking. These are very important phrasal verbs and these are used in speaking as well as these are taught in schools, colleges and higher academies. Let's start our lesson. Up here the first phrasal verb is, the first one is keep at. Keep at. Keep at means to continue. To continue. Ali kept at his task. Ali kept at his task. And phrase is Ali kept at his task. Ali kept at his task. Ali ने अपना काम जारी रखा. Keep at means to continue some work. To continue some work. Ali kept at his task. Ali kept at his task. Ali ने अपना काम जारी रखा. My students, first phrasal verb is keep at. Keep at means to continue, to push some work, to do some work, to continue some work. Ali kept at his task. Ali kept at his task. Ali ने अपना काम जारी रखा. They kept at their task. They kept at their task. उन्होंने अपना काम जारी रखा. Tom kept at his task. Tom kept at his task. Tom ने अपना काम जारी रखा. Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one you see here. Next is keep back. Keep back. Keep back means to hide. To hide something. To hide something. She keeps nothing back. She keeps nothing back. She keeps nothing back. वो कुछ भी नहीं छुपाती है. She keeps nothing back. वो कुछ भी नहीं छुपाती है. Keep back means to keep secret. To keep secret. To hide something. To keep secret. She keeps nothing back. And phrase is she keeps nothing back. वो कुछ भी नहीं छुपाती है. Keep back means, keep back is a notable phrasal verb. It means to hide something, to not disclose anything, not disclose anything, to hide something, to keep a secret, to keep a secret. And the phrase is she keeps nothing back. She keeps nothing back. वो कुछ भी नहीं छुपाती है. She keeps nothing back. वो कुछ भी नहीं छुपाती है. Let's move to the next phrasal verb. Next one is lay off. Lay off. Lay off. Lay off means to refrain from. To refrain from. You should lay off smoking. You should lay off smoking. You should lay off smoking. Phrase is you should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से बाज रहना चाहिए. You should lay off smoking. You should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से गुरेज करना चाहिए. Lay off. Lay off means बाज रहना. To keep away. To keep away. To keep away. You should lay off smoking. You should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से बाज रहना चाहिए. Lay off means refrain from. Keep away. Keep away. दूर रहना. Refrain from. गुरेज करना. Refrain from. गुरेज करना. You should lay off smoking. You should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से बाज रहना चाहिए. You should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से बाज रहना चाहिए. You should lay off smoking. आपको सिगरेट नोशी से गुरेज करना चाहिए. Let's move to the next phrasal verb. Next one is lie, lie by, lie by, lie by, lie by. Sam lies by during noon. Sam lies by during noon. Sam दोपहर में वक्फा करता है. Sam lies by during noon. Sam दोपहर में वक्फा करता है. Lie by means to have an short interval. To have a short break. Lie by means to have a short break. To have short interval. Sam lies by during noon. Sam lies by during noon. Sam दोपहर में वक्फा करता है. Sam दोपहर में थोड़ा वक्फा करता है. Sam दोपहर में थोड़ा आराम करता है. Sam lies by during noon. Sam lies by during noon. It's a beautiful beautiful phrasal verb. Lie by. It's a beautiful phrasal verb and the phrase is Sam lies by during noon. Sam दोपहर में गप्पा करता है. Lie by means to have a short interval, to have a short break. Let's move to the next phrasal verb. Next one is lay by. To keep something, to save something. Lay by means to save something, to keep something. Lay by something for rainy days. Lay by something for rainy days. Lay by something for rainy days. मुश्किल वक्त के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. Lay by something for rainy days. Lay by something for rainy days. मुश्किल वक्त के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. Lay by means to save something, to save some money, to save some food. Lay by something for rainy days. Lay by something for rainy days. मुश्किल हालात के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. Rainy days mean difficult times. Lay by something for rainy days. मुश्किल वक्त के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. मुश्किल हालात के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. Lay by means to save things, to save money, to save food, to save foods. Lay by something for rainy days. Lay by something for rainy days. It's very popular phrasal verb. Lay by something for rainy days. मुश्किल वक्त के लिए कुछ बचा कर रखो. Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one is move up. Move up means to go up, to increase. Car prices have moved up. And phrase is cars prices have moved up. Cars prices have moved up. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. मूव अप मीन्स be in rise, increase. Move up means increase. So car prices have moved up. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. टू हैव इंक्रीज. मूव अप मीन्स इंक्रीज बढ़ जाना. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कार प्राइसेस हैव मूव्ड अप. कारों की कीमतें बढ़ चुकी हैं. My students, these are very important and notable phrasal verbs. These are commonly spoken in English and these are taught in schools and academies. Memorize these phrasal verbs and the phrases. I'll see you again. Goodbye.